they're both underhand. Stall forward and come over the top, and stall backward and come underhand. Okay, now when you're stalling, I want you to focus on having a taut line with the tether. Stalling back behind, it's kind of doing like that. See how it's wild versus this? See how the tether is taut? The intention is for you to have control of the tether. When you drive, do you know how when you brake, the car like does this sort of like thing, right? Okay, but if you brake smoothly, it feels smooth, right? And in order to do that, what you do is you pull back at the last second. So this is the same thing. As it's coming to the stop, pull back. As it's coming to the stop, pull back. So that's what we're working on here. So we're working on the pull back and you feeling into the timing of where that is. So come forward and pull back. Go backward and pull back. You have to actually pull back. It's not just like a stop. Like you have to actually engage in pulling it back up. Like it'll stop, but it'll be wild like that, right? You have to pull back to keep the string taut. So if nobody explains that distinction to you, it makes sense that wouldn't be clear. Come back behind you and pull back, pull back, pull back. Come back in front of you and pull back. Come back behind you and pull back. Come forward and pull back. Come back behind, pull back. Come forward and pull back. Back behind and pull back. Forward, pull back. Back behind, pull back. Forward, pull back. Back behind, pull back. Forward, pull back. Back behind, pull back.